Thank you.
The question I'm going to ask is, how do you get the courage to take a symbolism picture, if that makes sense? Uh, I, yeah, because usually when I'm tasked to do a picture that has a symbolism or something like that has an artistic value, not artistic, I mean, maybe an image that has
Abstract.
a meaning. Yeah, yeah. I feel not confident. I feel like I'm scared that I'm going to be pretentious in a way.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yep, that's a definitely a concern in that, but that boils down to your experience, right? In other words, those photographs that I did was based on experience. You know, I've gone through a very, very deep transformation many times in my life. Some, you know, when you go through hardships or when you have challenges and you are able to face them, then you have then you will build that confidence to make those pictures, because the pictures are authentic, comes from the heart. So, and it will show in your photos when you do that. It becomes pretentious if you're not sure. You're not sure of yourself. You're not sure of what you want to say. But because you've experienced it and you know you have lived through it, then there's a certainty of how you want to tell that story through symbolism. So it just boils down to your experience and how courageous you are to face them and transform yourself or learn from them, and then your voice then will come out. So your authenticity will come out in your photographs.